How to contact Candy Crush Saga customer support? Got a problem? Like stock progress, missing lives, or a bug? Let's reach out for help. On the main screen, tap the cure icon, then find Account and Help, tap Health Center or a question mark option. This opens the support area within the game. Tap Technical and Connection Issue, tap any question, and scroll until you see Contact Us and tap it. You will see a form with your name and email, your full name, topic. There are so many topics you can choose and add description of the issue. Then tap Submit to send your request. Provide as much detail as you can. It helps them solve it faster. Wait for a reply. You will receive automatic message with a ticket number, and usually a real agent replies to email, often within hour. And that's it. Now you know exactly how to get help from Candy Crush support. Tell us what issue solved by contacting them. If this helped you, smash the like and subscribe for more helpful Candy Crush tips. See you in the next one.